Hello, everyone. I am back. I am back, or I was always here. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. But hi, I'm AyuB, and today I'm going to eat with you again. So it is like a eating show, talk show. What show I don't know, but it is just like I don't like to eat alone anymore. I feel like for a while now. For a while, I will not like to eat alone. So today I made something fancy. Let me show you what I made first. We have pancake, which is chocolate pancake made up of oats. We have peanut butter and banana inside it. I don't know how it will taste. First time manage so let's see. We have our kufe, we have our fruits. So let's have our lunch. Eating. I hope I will eat well. First coffee. Puedo galleto. Okay. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. I will try to show it like this. কষ্ট করতে চাই না, but I have to start somewhere, no? No, let's do it from here. Hey, মনে হচ্ছে পুরোটাই ভেঙে পড়বে মনে হচ্ছে। Struggle of life. Hold on. Okay, we have a bit of it. Wow, very fancy. Oh, sorry. The calories will be here today. I know the place now. This is where I will put up the calorie situation. This is total 320. Yeah, I guess, but it will be here. Cheers! Let's start our food. Let me show you. This is the layer of the entire pancake situation, and this is the inside part. Start. Mmm. This tastes so freaking good. This tastes really, really, really good. Now, Amina is scrolling YouTube, so I got this video from a person and the recipe, not the video. So I will link it up. Okay. Camera angle টা তো একটু গন্ডগোল হয়ে গেছে. But this tastes really, really good. Like, যখনই I will crave মিষ্টি now, I will make this. And I have to eat this up very slowly because এত ভালো লাগছে না খেতে. Slowly, slowly খাওয়া বেশি মজা পাওয়া, তাই না? It tastes really nice. I thought कि কামাটা লাগবে. Stop! It I wanted to do. Okay. It is everywhere. No sense. Ah, what is the topic for today? What are we talking in today's video? Yeah. Mm, will I talk about the new series I watched? Because it is fun, okay? Last একদিন আগে I finished, okay? Bad and Crazy বলে there is this cool really cool series. Will I link it down for the people who are interested in K-drama? I will link it down below because what you will not get in Netflix. It is somewhere in Drama Cool or Drama Hood, somewhere like that. But it is a psychological thriller, with Marpit and with one of my favorite actors. So if anybody is interested in K dramas, do watch it because it is like mind blowing. Mm, see, the point here is K drama, beat K drama or beat anything. मैंने आजकल का ना good story is very missing everywhere. So yeah, this tastes like literally good. Okay. Mm. If you somehow want to make this, tung, I button you will press and you will get everything. I always make it. Today it rains so much. কালকে সরস্বতী পুজো and it's just shit and raining. One thing I hate is rain and it is not going to leave me. Frankly, it is just raining and raining all the time. And I hate that. Ah, দুদিন আগে না I went to a very good place to eat. The food was so good. First time আমি ওখানে লৌকির হালুয়া খেয়েছিলাম. And the লৌকির halwa was like, I was like, what? What is this green thing? So the person was like, that is Loki. I was like, Loki can taste this freaking good. The place is really good. And also, খুব সস্তা. সস্তায় পুষ্টিকর. I of course made a video of it. Let's see when I will put that up. But it's really good. মানে আমাদের মতো লোক যাদের all time budget crunch থাকে 50 rupees you are getting something which is likely similar to pizza. It's very good. It is so this thing is very soft. I swear it is so soft. It is soft fishy. Mm. Oh god, this tastes really nice. Mm. Mm. Meghna makes so good things with oats. Meghna recipe also I will try one day. Yeah, this month I'm going to try a lot of recipes, so it's okay. So good, so good. Ah, this is a very serious topic, okay? The serious topic is yesterday I was seeing that somebody was drinking coffee with lemon. Why do they do that? Like, do you also do that? Like, I don't know. And I was thinking, what देखा कि should I try? Maybe I will try in this talk come eat show. I'm totally crazy now. I know that. আজকে আমাদের কলেজে registration হবে. This is my last semester will come, and then our college will be starting from 7th February, and they are talking to take that offline. I don't know. I that frankly sounds so difficult for me right now. It's like আমাদের কলেজে খুব ভালো অনলাইন ক্লাস হতো. I will never ever lie. উম, Actually আমি কলেজের থেকে বেশি শিখেছি অনলাইন ক্লাসে. Why? I will give you the reason. Because college you have lab, everything is up there. You go and practice. Your time is over. You're done. But যখন বাড়িতে না you have to open that in your laptop and start doing from scratch. You start learning a lot more because you will have issues. You will do it on your own, then you will ask from people. That I took that initiative for MCA, so I really learned very much more because আমি কলেজে গিয়ে তো আমার ঘুম পেতো খুব এসি চলতো না I কিছু মাথায় ঢুকছে না, এত দূর কলেজ যেতে হচ্ছে, it became so so tiring for me. But online I used to get time for myself. I used to study. At the end of the day, you have to. I kotoi you will watch series and all. Na. For me, I'm not talking about anybody else. So I actually learned a lot. I learned many things from scratch. So I felt very comfortable in online classes, and now they're starting offline classes. I have to again get comfortable with that. It's like a process. Uh, They should tell it before 1 week that now you have to go and sit in class and stare at the teacher talking and talking and talking and showing things. You know, I need time for preparing myself. That I have to travel 1 hour, sit, have my food at time, wake up early to do my exercises. It's all a thing. It's like once we are trying to cope up with one kind of situation, now when we are habituated with that situation, we again have to change the situation only and cope up with that. So we are just struggling people. इतना कोप अप क्यों करें हम हैं? इतना तो हमसे नहीं होने वाला है. जोके भी नहीं कटा सकते हैं, लास्ट सेमेस्टर है. हाय हाय, ना काम. My সবথেকে বড় চিন্তা is my food schedule. Like I have to keep up with that. I can't lose it. Losing it means I will be losing my mind. And Rujuta Divekar said, "Don't lose your mind." Oh yeah, I'm so full right now. This tastes so good. আহ যেটা আমার এটাতে সব থেকে বেশি ভালো লেগেছে, আমরা যখন প্যানকেক খাই, সো ইটস লাইক এরকম না, মানে একটা গোটা প্যানকেক, সো আই এম জাস্ট কাটিং অ্যান্ড ইটিং. But if I'm stacking it, I don't know how, but it is filling me more. According to me, I don't know. First, I got very happy because I felt like কি আমি একটা কেক খাচ্ছি. Secondly, এই ঘরে you get a lot of ego. So, yeah. To those one or two people watching me, thank you for watching me. Oh, I should have told that in the beginning. Sorry. Because people generally don't watch till here. So, it's okay. I accept that. Why will you watch me? কথাটা হচ্ছে why. Should I negotiate with you to watch me? See, I am cute. Leave my blackheads because it's okay. We are there, we have to keep it, but it's natural only. I was negotiating, no? Let's not negotiate, it's okay. So, আমি আমার বন্ধুর সাথে খেতে গেছিলাম ভালো জায়গায়, সস্তার জায়গায়, খাবারও ওখানে ভালো ছিল. So I will put up that video on Sunday, maybe. I edited it. But as today I will put this up, so Sunday I will see you again. Right? Because I have finished my plan. Thank you for watching me. Also, if you like this video, then do like. If you hate it, dislike. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you on Sunday. Okay? Bye!